Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dennis Wakabayashi. I'm your host for the weekly CX update. You're probably wondering why we're all impromptu right now. It's because we're packing our bags. We're headed to Las Vegas to the Call and Contact Center Expo. We're going to meet the movers, shakers, the innovators of the industry. It'll be a fun little road trip for us. So we made it safe and sound to Las Vegas. It's the morning of the first day of the show. Our first stop is with Alan Pendleton, the CEO of Arena CX, and we're going to check in with him. Then we're going to walk the show floor and see who else we can meet.
Dennis, it's great to be standing with the global voice of CX. So I'm Alan Pendleton. I'm the CEO of Arena CX. I'm here with our COO, Terry Monroe. We are excited to be part of the Call and Contact Center Expo here in Vegas, kicking off the next 2 days. So what Arena CX is doing lately that's innovative and interesting. So number one, we've revolutionized the outsourcing journey from identify your partner, vet your partner, contract, manage, and change. And we've added a layer of impact sourcing. So through Arena CX, buyers can access the world's best impact sourcing providers, whether that means they have ESG criteria that they satisfy, locational requirements such as hub zones, or it matters who they hire. So you can access refugee talent, you can access human trafficking survivors, you can access the visually impaired through the marketplace. And that's what we exist to do, is help buyers connect with the world's best BPOs and contract with them successfully.
What's going on, everybody? Nate Brown here. I found Dennis in Vegas. I'm a lucky guy and can't wait to participate in the CX update. I hope everybody's doing well. There's so much going on right now. I mean, the CX space is going, and obviously walking in today, it was immediately around generative AI, ChatGPT. That's where the conversation begins. But then the conversation morphs to, how can we create great experiences? And yes, technology is a huge part of that, right? But that doesn't excuse us. That doesn't fix all the problems that we were trying to solve before the introduction of ChatGPT. There's still a lot of employee engagement things. There's still a lot of just creating a good ecosystem, a great digital experience that can back up what we're trying to create in terms of our overall customer experience. Our tool sets are so broken. So layering on this new knowledge capability doesn't necessarily solve all those problems. So band arms together, develop community, find your community, and do this work well. Hope that's helpful. Everybody have a great day.
Hi, my name is Rajiv Shri. I'm the founder of a very interesting organization called the Gamification Company. This is where we use neuroscience of play, behavioral sciences, game principles, and we create these awesome products through which you can actually have your agents far more engaged, far more committed, far more interested, and as a result, make a big difference to your customer's life. Happy agents, happy customers.
My name's Kevin Anderson. I'm a sales manager with CallDrip. We're here at the Call Center Expo in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we are showcasing our rapid lead response. This is an instant connection to internet leads. Yeah, so we are on a website. In this example, it's the CallDrip demo page, right? But you could visualize or imagine in your head whatever type of industry you work with, whatever industry you are in. If you have customers who are submitting an inquiry, rather it's from your own website, Facebook, or any other third party, but they're requesting you to contact them and call them, this rapid lead response will get you on the phone with the customer right away. It's an instant connection, 45 seconds or less. So we've got Mr. Brock Jackson here, and he is interested in a Ford F-150. He wants someone to call him. He's got some questions. So in just a second, we're going to hit submit on Brock's behalf. We'll let Brock do it himself. Okay. Now, what's going to happen, I'm a salesperson at the car dealership. My phone's going to start to ring. It's going to be almost instant. Okay, there it is. It's ringing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pick this up. My teammates' phones were also just ringing, helping assure one of us could pick this up. It's reading me the lead information so I can hear it. I also got a text and an email with the same information so I know the customer and the situation. Now it's going to call the customer. He's already received a text telling him his phone would be ringing in just a second. His phone's going to start ringing. Go ahead and pick up that call, Brock. There it is. His phone's now ringing. Hello. Hi, Brock. This is Kevin Anderson at Studley Auto Sales. I'm reaching out about the Ford F-150 you submitted the inquiry on.
Wow, man, but that was so fast. I can't believe you called me back so quick.
Awesome. You betcha. We hear that all the time, Brock. Hey, I wanted to see if you come in for a test drive later this afternoon. Would 4:30 or 5 o'clock work after you're done at work today?
Let's do 4:30. I'll be there.
Okay, 4:30. I'll have that truck pulled out, ready, washed up, and we'll see you at 4:30 today. Thank you, Brock.
Looking forward to it. Thanks, Kevin.
All right, we're here day 2 at the show. Yesterday was a great day, tons of exhibitors here. So I had a chance to see a lot of different things, voice of customer, call center things, but I did catch up with Call Drip. That was pretty amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see that video. This morning I'm meeting with OP360, then I'm gonna do about 5 or so other interviews. So I can't wait for you to join me. Let's go in and see the show.
Hey Dennis, thanks for stopping by.
So OP360, we are a BPO, and as you can see, it's a better way to outsource. What that means is we believe strongly in the care factor and the passion and what we can provide for our customers and our clients. And that really is an end-to-end solution that drives the KSAT, CSAT scoring and really supports the strength of our clients.
Tell me why Google is at this show.
Essentially what we do is we provide management capabilities using Chromebooks and Chromeboxes for agents to use in a contact center environment. The endpoints, you can see them here, the Chromebooks are super secure, the most secure device that you can get on the planet, which of course any IT manager loves. They're intuitive, easy to use, but really powerful. You can boot it up in 6 seconds. We can create a lot of agent productivity. Actually, our agents on Chrome OS are 19% more productive than any other platforms. We do that in a way that is super interesting, even for an IT managers, because you can drop ship Chromebooks directly to the agent. We call that zero-touch enrollment. So an administrator never has to touch the device. It can be shipped directly to the agent. It has all the policies and all the configuration, all the contact center stuff you want on. All the agent does is open it up, logs in, and everything is right there. Then when the agent decides to go do something else, perhaps, you deprovision it in 2 minutes, and then you ship it to the next agent, reprovision it, and boom, he or she is ready to go.
Yeah, so at Virtual, what we do is we automate complex after-call work in call centers, in healthcare, insurance, finance, those types of situations. What we do fundamentally is we're going to listen into a conversation as it happens, like in a medical device, customer service room, for instance. Patient's calling in with an implanted device. They have some issue with it. The agent on the other end of the line is probably making $100,000 a year all in, not your, quote, normal call center agent. What we're going to do is normally the patient's going to call in, talk to the agent, troubleshoot that over the course of 10 minutes. The agent's going to spend close to the same amount of time documenting what they just did afterwards, writing up a summary, classifying the call, potentially sending it on to the FDA. What we're going to do is listen to that call live with our own speech to text, send that to our natural language processing models that then auto-write the summary and classification in 10 to 15 seconds. Send that back to the agent in their existing CRM system. They make any edits they want there quickly. But at the end of the day, they've saved close to 75% of the time they normally spend on documentation. The quality, you can't tell the difference between the human and the machine. And at the end of the day, you get better quality, cheaper, faster. Everybody's happy.
Crisp here. We're working on background voice and noise cancellation for contact centers. We have a demo in the booth here. Come check us out. It's been a great time meeting with our BPO partners, seeing all the technology that's out there. And today we just launched our new accent localization feature as well. So we're doing great things here at Crisp. Come by, check out the booth.
We want to promote this and have more companies in the U.S. come and service their U.S. clients in native English in Guatemala. This can be done one of two ways. It can be done by hiring an existing BPO in Guatemala. I have a BPO with 500 employees. Or you can come and build a new operation from scratch with the help of the Guatemalan government, which they're extremely helpful to set up new operations, and they're very eager to create those new opportunities.
All right, so we're at the airport. We made it for our whirlwind, a couple of days at the Call Contact Center Expo. It was a great show, lots of vendors. I think if you were there to find out more about the industry, see what's new in terms of technology, it was a great show to go to. Well produced, of course, lots of new companies there, which I thought was pretty interesting. I would say if I had one key takeaway from this show, it's that AI, of course, is driving a lot of the new appearances at these shows. So there's definitely a new crowd showing up at these events. That's probably a great thing for the industry. I think the most exciting thing that I saw there was Google showing up with their Chromebooks and the way they recycle hardware as well as provide fast deployment of customer care operations all over the world. That's pretty exciting. The other thing, call drip, you saw that. The idea of having a customer experience where you can type out a form and have a phone call seconds later, that's pretty amazing. And I think the other thing is Alan Pendleton over at Arena CX truly reshaping the industry. When you think about a marketplace for BPOs where there's standardization in terms of legal compliance, contracts, that equals fast deployment, lower cost for everyone involved. So I think that's going to be an accelerator for the industry. That was it for the show. I'm about to get on a plane. Thanks for joining me on this little adventure.